like a mighty river flowing, like a flower in beauty growing, far beyond all human knowing, is the perfect peace of God. Like the hills serene and tender, like the coursing clouds of heaven, like the heart that's been forgiven, is the perfect peace of God. Like the summer breezes playing, like the tall trees softly swaying, like the lips of silent praying, is the perfect peace of God. Like the morning sun ascended, like the scent of evening blended, like the friendship never ended, is the perfect peace of God. Like the azure ocean swelling, like the jewel all excelling, far beyond our human telling, is the perfect peace of God.